this, I do understand that there is a gap between the dated techniques and designs that are prevalent in the handloom sector and the new age fashion that is changing so quickly. And with this idea in mind, I am very, very, very proud to present Tweave. Telangana weaves with a twist. It is a signature store in partnership with the government of Telangana to provide handlooms of superior quality with the most modern of designs, but not at the prices that are prevalent in the market today. Our whole intention is to make handlooms more affordable and to source it directly from the weavers so that they are the ones who benefit the most. I thank my friends who have joined me in this mission, SVS Partners LLP, Vamshi, Sriram sir, Meghna. Thank you for joining me to take Tweave forward. The head designer, Preetam Jukalkar, whose designs you will see shortly on the ramp, is young and very, very hardworking. In fact, all his pieces are sourced directly from government-run Tesco outlets. This piece included is not no hi-fi designer, it's straight out of the racks of the government-run Tesco outlet. And none of this would be possible without the greatest support of the government of Telangana. I was brave enough to do this only because of their support, only because of Minister KTR Garu. I am extremely inspired and I respect his ideas and determination in making this young state the most prosperous state in the country. I am truly thankful to the Principal Secretary Jayesh Ranjan sir and Mrs. Shailaja Ramayar, the Director of Handlooms and Textiles Telangana, who have always been a phone call away supporting me in this initiative, their primary focus being the benefits of the weavers. Thank you to all of you who are part of this initiative, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
Baby, poison not allowed there.
Aite? Guntlu. Ayyo. Aba.
మీరు అసలు మనుషులేనా?
ఏంది?
వీళ్ళిద్దరు ముట్టుకోకపోతే నువ్వు ముట్టుకుంటావా? నువ్వు కూడా ముట్టుకోదు. ఒక్కడికి పగిలిపోద్ది.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది బాగా ఎక్కువైంది, పక్క తీసుకెళ్ళరా. చాలు.